In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change colors in Wix fast and easy using the Wix Website Builder, especially helpful for beginners. Whether you're sprucing up your personal blog or giving your business site a fresh look, adjusting colors is key to creating an inviting and cohesive design that truly reflects your brand. First, you'll want to head over to your web browser and simply type in Wix into your search bar. From your search results, click on the link to Wix's official site, which should bring you directly to their homepage. It's right here that the journey to personalizing your website begins. Once you've reached the Wix homepage, it's time to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, there's no need to worry because Wix makes it quite straightforward to sign up. Once logged in, navigate to your Wix dashboard. Here you'll see a list of the websites you've created. Select the one you wish to update and click on the button that says Edit Site. Doing so will bring you to the Wix editor, a place buzzing with potential for creativity and expression. Now that you're in the editor, look towards the left side of your screen. There, you'll find a panel with several options. From this menu, locate and click on Site Design. This option gives you the power to alter the overarching visual style of your site. Everything from fonts to colors can be managed here, streamlining the process of reimagining your site's aesthetics. Within the Site Design menu, you'll find an option called Color Theme. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. The Color Theme section is your playground for defining the look and feel of your site through its color palette. You will notice categories like base colors and accent colors. These terms might sound a bit technical, but are essentially about deciding the main and highlight colors used across your site. The next step is to choose either base colors or accent colors from this list depending on which aspect of the site's colors you're looking to change. As you select these, a spectrum of colors will emerge. Here, you're free to experiment. Try out different hues to see which best captures the essence of your desired aesthetic. Once you've selected your preferred colors, click on Change Color Theme to apply your adjustments. This not only affects the immediate section you're working on, but also ensures a harmonious color scheme is repeated throughout the entirety of your site, ensuring all elements blend seamlessly together. And there you have it, a newly colored site with a unique theme that resonates with your style. If you follow these steps, you'll soon have a website that is visually appealing and aligned with your vision. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you want to make a change and enjoy the creative freedom the Wix Website Builder offers.